Hi, I'm Felix Joseph, and the lecture that I attended was called The Physics of Garbage, and it mainly had to do with the fact that garbage was increasing as a problem in on land and in the ocean. So in 1975, 5.8 million tons of garbage entered the ocean. But now in 2015, we know that anywhere between 4.8 and 12.7 million tons entered the ocean. This is due to the fact that we are estimating based on data aggregation. Data has been aggregated by scientists uh, about garbage patches in the ocean. And when this data was aggregated, uh, they were all sent to a specific database where garbage was plotted in places where they were at the highest density. So garbage patches are a huge problem in the ocean. They're just floating masses of plastic and other materials. Um, the patches are usually determined based on the circulation of the ocean. So in the lecturer said that actually a lot of our trash actually ends up going to the South and North Poles. Why is that? Because the circulation of the ocean travels in a way that would take plastics and masses of garbage from large areas and circulate them all the way to the poles. And this is often determined by tides and seasonal patterns of garbage disposal. So now in the current day we have less surface garbage and some going into the water. Garbage in the ocean has been sort of reduced in a sense. The rate of growth has been reduced in a sense because bacteria and zooplankton are actually eating the plastic, and they're getting plastic inside of their systems. And this has been really bad for animals in the past couple of years. So zooplankton have been eating the garbage, and most often when scientists have took samples of these zooplankton, they found pieces of plastic in sizes ranging from anywhere from 0.5 to 5 millimeters of plastic size. And we've also found in other wildlife, such as fish, that 1 to 29% of fish eat the plastic, and this has been pretty detrimental to their fertility. Also, another living mammal that has been affected by this garbage and plastic consumption is our turtles. Turtles on the beaches of Brazil have actually consumed garbage to the point where it is decreasing their population, as well as the babies who are eating plastic are the babies who are exposed to plastic are getting plastic all over their bodies, and it's causing deformities among turtles. So basically, some cool facts I found about garbage disposal is like now it's been found that you can actually use plastic in order to make fuel. I found online that a Japanese company is now using plastic to make petrol. And while this isn't a completely sustainable and viable initiative, it is certainly a very interesting point to look into. Also, a majority of the world's trash is being produced by China. In the book Garbology, it said that China was a major garbage buyer. They buy garbage from the United States to use, but a lot of the time, a lot of the trash goes unused. And that's pretty much what I learned from the video lecture.